Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Tinder. Here we go to settings as you see and you can click here. Then this page, here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Tinder and you can click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.